Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Azim, an Odoo ERP function consultant and accountant. So in this video, we will see how we can split our delivery orders into multiple deliveries against one sale order. So for this, how it works, let's go to Odoo ERP database, and for this we will go to sales module. In sales module, if I go to products, I already have created two products. One is laptop HP, and its delivered invoicing policy is delivered quantities and on hand quantity is 0, and its sale price is 60,000. Now let me show you another product, which is barcode scanner. We have also barcode scanner, and if product type is goods, invoicing policy is delivered quantities, and you can see quantity on hand. We have 9 units on hand, and its sale price is 5,000. Now we will go to orders, quotations, and we'll create a new sale order. Clicking on new, select your customer. Let's suppose I'm selecting Kamran. Add product. I'm adding two products. We can also add two products by clicking on catalog. From catalog we can add multiple product at once. So I'm adding barcode scanner and laptop. You can see also we have here option. We can see on hand quantity for this product. It is 9 on hand and laptop is 0 on hand. So after selecting this, we will go to sale order. Now in sale order line, you can see we have two products in the order lines. One is available and other one is not available. And which one is not available, you can see there is a red graph for the product which is not available, and here is a blue graph, the product that is available. So now we will confirm the order. After confirming the order, you can see a smart button by the name of delivery has been appeared. Now we will click on delivery, and here we can see we have one product available and other one is not available. Now we will click on gear icon, and here you can see the option we have split. We will click on split. Now our delivery has been split only to the available quantity. Now we will validate this delivery. After validating, we will go to sale order, and there you can see now in delivery smart button we have two deliveries. If I again click on delivery, here you can see one has been delivered but one is in waiting. That product is not available in our stock. So again we will go to sale order and we will create an invoice. You will see that it will automatically pick that one product that has been delivered. Now we will click on create invoice, regular invoice. You have also three options for invoice: draft, regular invoice, down payment in percentage, and down payment in fixed amount. Now we will click on create draft. It will create our invoice in draft. Here you can see we have only one product that has been delivered to our customer. We will create invoice just for this product. Now we will confirm this invoice and record the payment against this invoice. We will record through bank, create payment. Its status will be in payment. When we will reconcile this payment, its status will be changed to paid. So in this way you can split your deliveries against one PO into multiple delivery, one SO again into multiple deliveries in Odoo 19. If you need any support, Odoo related support, have any query, you can comment under this video. I will make a video on that query and will share with you. Thank you so much.